Hello beautiful souls, welcome to today's video. I go by 𝓗𝓚, but you may call me Tammy. Today I'm doing a brow tutorial for you guys, and I'm going to start by prepping my skin. So I'm going to use my 𝓗𝓚 spray, some aloe vera gel, and I like to top that off with Pond's moisturizer. After I finish moisturizing my skin, I'm going to prime my forehead with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I like to set my brows before I actually fill them in, and so I'm going to be using my Airspun powder, and that is just going to help them last all day by removing any excess moisture or oil. After we finish prepping the brows, we're going to go ahead and take a spoolie to brush them into place. I'm going to brush them upwards first and outline them underneath, and then I'll brush them down and I'll outline them on the top. Once that's complete, we're going to fill in the brows. I only fill in the middle part and the tail of my brow. So in order to not create block brows, I like to use a spoolie to diffuse the product in the front. For me, that helps give it the gradient effect. To clean up my brows, today I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer. I'm going to take the lighter shade that I have and apply that under my brow, and the other shade that is closer to my skin tone, we're going to use that to clean up the top of the brow. And this is going to help to prevent a halo brow. And for those of you who are not aware, a halo brow is when people use concealer that is too light to clean up their brows, and so they have, it looks like a halo. It's not cute. We're not gonna do that in 2020. I like to raise my brows. This just helps me define my arch. It may be something that is just in my head, but it tends to work for me. And we're just gonna clean them up so that they look like sisters. They don't have to be twins, just sisters. And so everything that I used today will be listed in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out down below. You guys want to make sure that you're taking your time when you clean up your brows, because this part is very fundamental. I cannot say how many times I've messed up my brows because I was going too fast when trying to clean them up. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm one of them people, like, I can tell what kind of day I'm gonna have based off of my brows. Like, if it takes too long for me to fill them in, or if I just can't get them right, like, I know it's not gonna be my day. That's not gonna be my day. definitely the longest part of my whole makeup routine because I feel like brows can make or break a look. But once I finish cleaning them up, I'm gonna diffuse the concealer with a tapered brush from BH Cosmetics. And the last thing that I do is I like to take a brow brush, use that just to extend the length of my tail so that my brow isn't so thick in that area. And then that's pretty much it. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to my first YouTube video. I really do appreciate it. I'm not going to tell you guys to like, comment, or subscribe because that's all up to you. But thanks so much, and I hope to see you all in my next tutorial.